A gaming graphics card delivers high frame rates, realistic visuals, and smooth performance for modern games. My today's video is about top 5 best gaming graphics card that's are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Asus Gaming Graphics Card. The NVIDIA-powered gaming graphics card is engineered for extreme performance and cutting-edge gaming experiences. With 3,593 AI TOPS, tera operations per second, and the advanced NVIDIA Blackwell architecture paired with DLSS 4, it delivers lightning-fast AI-driven processing for realistic visuals, smooth gameplay, and next-level performance in modern titles. This GPU features an impressive OC mode, reaching 2,610 MHz, 2,580 MHz in default mode, allowing gamers to push their system for maximum frame rates. The innovative detachable GCHPWR adapter ensures compatibility with both standard and BTF motherboards while supporting up to 1000 watts, enabling stable, high-power operation. High-quality 80-amp MOSFETs further enhance stability and overclocking potential. Cooling is optimized with a quad-fan design that increases airflow and pressure by up to 20, while the patented vapor chamber and milled heat spreader maintain lower GPU temperatures during intensive gaming sessions. A full metal die-cast shroud, reinforced frame backplate, and rear I/O bracket provide PCB rigidity, ensuring durability and consistent performance under heavy loads. Perfect for enthusiasts seeking power, stability, and thermal efficiency. Now our second product is up here. Gaming graphics card. The GL7KC GPU holder is a practical and stylish solution to prevent GPU sag and enhance your PC build. Featuring a slide-type support structure, it offers a simple and convenient adjustment method that allows you to position your graphics card perfectly without hassle. Constructed from sturdy alloy, the holder provides robust support, ensuring that your GPU remains secure and free from bending even after prolonged use. Designed for versatility, the GL7KC adapts to a wide range of motherboards and cases with 4-way adjustment, accommodating different graphics card lengths and support positions. Beyond functionality, it adds visual flair with synchronizable ARGB lighting. Compatible with 5 V3-pin ARGB headers, you can switch between multiple RGB modes, making your case colorful and dynamic. Note: do not connect to 4-pin 12V RGB headers to avoid damage. The package includes the GL7KC GPU holder, a 12-month worry-free warranty, and responsive customer support, making it a reliable and stylish addition for both gamers and PC enthusiasts seeking stability and aesthetics. Our third product is Gigabyte Gaming Graphics Card. The Gigabyte RX 9070 XT graphics card delivers top-tier gaming and content creation performance, powered by AMD's cutting-edge architecture. With blazing speeds and advanced graphics capabilities, it handles the latest AAA games, high-resolution rendering, and demanding creative workflows effortlessly. Cooling is a standout feature, thanks to the WindForce cooling system combined with HawkFan technology. This setup ensures maximum airflow and efficient heat dissipation, keeping the GPU cool even during marathon gaming sessions. The addition of server-grade thermal conductive gel further enhances temperature management, maintaining stability and reliability under heavy loads. For customization and aesthetics, the card features vibrant RGB lighting that can be synchronized with your motherboard or customized independently, giving your build a striking, personalized look. Dual BIOS options allow users to switch between performance and silent modes, offering either maximum power for intense gaming or quiet operation for everyday use. Overall, this Radeon RX 9070 XT GPU is perfect for gamers and professionals seeking high performance, superior cooling, and eye-catching design in one powerful package. Now number 4, Asus Gaming Graphics Card. The Asus Blackwell-powered GeForce graphics card is designed for high-performance gaming and small form factor (SFF) builds, offering enthusiasts a perfect balance of power and compact design. Leveraging DLSS 4 technology, it delivers superior frame rates and enhanced image quality, making it ideal for demanding AAA games and high-resolution content creation. Cooling and thermal management are top-notch. Axial Tech fans feature a smaller hub with longer blades and a barrier ring, increasing downward airflow for efficient heat dissipation. The phase-change GPU thermal pad further optimizes heat transfer, lowering GPU temperatures and enhancing both performance and reliability. Dual ball fan bearings extend lifespan up to twice that of standard sleeve bearings, ensuring durability over long-term use. The 2.5 slot design balances cooling performance with compatibility in tighter builds, while 0 dB technology allows quiet, near-silent operation during lighter gaming sessions. With its combination of advanced architecture, efficient cooling, and compact design, this GeForce GPU is an excellent choice for gamers seeking high performance in small or mid-sized builds. And our last choice is ASRock Gaming Graphics Card. The ASRock Single-Fan Graphics Card is a compact yet powerful solution for gamers seeking efficient cooling and reliable performance. Its single-fan design may be simple, but it provides strong cooling capabilities that keep your system temperature stable even during extended gaming sessions, ensuring consistent performance and preventing thermal throttling. A highlight is ASRock's custom striped axial fan, which is engineered to optimize airflow. The striped structure on each fan blade, combined with the polished surface on the underside, enhances cooling efficiency by maximizing air circulation directly over the GPU. This design keeps temperatures low while maintaining quiet operation, making it ideal for smaller cases or builds where space is limited. With its streamlined and stylish appearance, this GPU not only performs well but also complements modern gaming setups. Lightweight and easy to install, it's suitable for gamers who want a plug-and-play experience without compromising on cooling performance. A solid choice for reliable, hassle-free gaming. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.